There's a truth most men never learn until life forces it on them. A truth that hits at 2 a.m. when no one is there to save you. A truth that destroys weak men and transforms strong ones. Here it is. No one is coming to fix your life. It's all on you. This is what 99% of men never realize until it's too late. Most men waste their best years waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect time, waiting for someone to push them, waiting for life to magically get better. But listen, time doesn't wait for anyone. While you're waiting, your dreams are dying, your potential is fading, your strength is slipping, and your life is passing. And the worst part? No one cares. Not your friends, not your crush, not society. No one is thinking about saving you. This is the truth most men understand only when everything is already broken. Here's how most men fall. First, they get comfortable. Then, they stop trying. Then, they start lying to themselves. I'll start next week. I'll fix it tomorrow. I'll change someday. And then, one day, they wake up and realize they've wasted years being the same mediocre version of themselves. No growth, no discipline, no improvement. Just a man who kept saying soon until soon became never. But every man has a moment, a breaking point, a mirror moment where you look at yourself and ask, is this really who I want to be? Maybe it's heartbreak. Maybe it's failure. Maybe it's being left behind. Maybe it's watching others grow while you stay the same. Whatever it is, that moment hurts. It crushes your ego, shatters your pride, and exposes every weakness you've been hiding. But that moment is the doorway to transformation. Because only when a man hits the floor does he finally decide to stand up. Here are the truths men learn too late. Number 1, no one will push you harder than you push yourself. If you don't take action, your life stays the same. Number 2, comfort is the silent killer of ambition. It destroys more dreams than failure ever will. Number 3, you don't lose when others win. You lose when you stop improving. Number 4, your habits shape your destiny. A weak routine builds a weak man. Number 5, your life is a result of your discipline, not your desires. These truths don't hit early. They hit when you're already drowning. Don't wait that long. The top 1% of men didn't become great because they were lucky. They became great because they decided, I refuse to live like the rest. They didn't wait for motivation. They built discipline. They didn't wait for validation. They worked in silence. They didn't wait for someone to believe in them. They believed in themselves. That's the difference. Not talent, not genetics, not privilege, just a decision. If you don't want to wake up at 40 with regrets eating your soul, then listen carefully. Start training your body. Build unbreakable discipline. Cut out people who drain you. Stop wasting time on your phone. Learn skills that make you valuable. Protect your focus like your life depends on it. Silence your excuses. Do what you said you'd do, even when you don't feel like it. A man becomes unstoppable when he does the things he doesn't want to do. Most men will ignore this message. They will watch the video, agree with every word, and change nothing. They'll go back to comfort, back to distractions, back to weak habits. And in 5 years, they'll still be the same, still complaining, still dreaming, still stuck. This is what 99% of men never realize until it's too late. Don't be one of them. Transformation isn't easy. It's painful, it's lonely, it requires sacrifice, it requires discipline, it requires rebuilding yourself piece by piece. But that pain builds you, it sharpens you, it turns you into a man you can be proud of. You don't rise by chance, you rise by choice. Listen closely. Your life is your responsibility. Your future is your responsibility. Your discipline is your responsibility. Not your parents, not your friends, not society. You. If you want a powerful life, build it. If you want respect, earn it. If you want success, work for it. And if you don't want to be like the 99% of men who look back with regret, then start today. Start now. Your future self is waiting. Don't arrive late.